Hey everyone, welcome back to our learning space where we simplify and gamify mathematics together. I am Pauzamuan, your maths transformation coach, and today we are going to decode one of the most asked topic in SSC CGL previous year questions, that is successive discount. Before we start, I want you to grab your notebook and pen and write down those important topics and points which we discussed during this session and share it in the comment box below by the end of this short video. In this session, we will solve previous year SSC CGL questions like a single discount equivalent to two successive discounts of X% and Y%, how to find net increase or decrease after successive changes. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Can you all see my screen? Today we'll be working on successive discounts. First, let's learn about this formula. Successive discounts of X% and Y% are equivalent to a single discount of X plus Y minus XY by 100. Let's learn about this formula. Now let's apply this formula in the first question. First question is the single discount equivalent to two successive discounts of 15% and 12% on an article is. Here X is 15, here Y is 12. Apply this formula, we have X plus Y, that is 15 plus 12 minus 15 into 12 by 100. Here we can cancel with 3. 5, 3 are 15. 5, 2 are 10. Cancel with 2. 2, 10 are 20. 2, 6 are 12. 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 6, 3 are 18. Divided by 10. That is, we have 1.8. 1.8 lies between 1 and 2. So subtract 2 from 27. 27 minus 2 is 25. Point. 10 minus 8 is 2. The right answer is 25.2. Option 2 is the right answer. Let's go to the next question. Question number 2. If the successive discount by 10% and 15%, then the single equivalent rate of discount is 10 plus 15 minus 10 into 15 by 100. Cancel 0, 0. Don't cancel anymore. 10 plus 15 is 25 minus 1.5 divided by 10 is 1.5. 1.5 lies between 1 and 2. Therefore, subtract the bigger number from 25. 25 minus 2 is 23. 10 minus 5 is 5. You have 23.5. Option 4 is the right answer. Next question, question number 3. 10% and 16%. 10 plus 16 is 26. Minus 10 into 16 by 100. 10, 10 cancel. We have 1.6. That is 26 minus 2 is 24. 10 minus 6 is 4. 24.4. Am I too fast? Okay, if you can get it, let's apply shortcut. 18 and 22. 18 plus 22. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 in hand. 1 plus 2 is 3. Within hand 40. Minus 18 into 22 by 100. This time we have even number, but we don't have 5. Therefore, don't cancel with 100. Now let's multiply 18 and 22. 22 into 11 is 22. Multiply 2 and 18. 8 2 are 16. 1 in hand. 2 1 is 2. 3 36. Multiply by 11. 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 3. 18 into 23 is 396. That's it. Put the value here. 40 minus 396 divided by 100 is point shift 2 times 1, 2. I have 3.96. This value is 40 minus 4 is 36. 100 minus 96 is 0.4. When we have one digit after point, I subtract it from 10 minus. After point, if we have two digit, 100 minus. Okay, we have 36.05. Yes, option 1 is the right answer. Can you understand? Okay, let's proceed. Next question, question number 5. A shopkeeper allows 40% discount on his goods. He gives 20% discount. What is the single discount equivalent to these two successive discounts? Now let's apply 40% and 20%. 40 plus 20 is 60. Minus 2 4 are 8. We have 0 0 cancel. 60 minus 8 is 52. That's the right answer. Option 2 is the right answer. Now let's solve question number 6. What is the single percentage discount equivalent to two successive discount of 15% and 5%? 15 plus 5, that is 20, minus 15 into 5 divided by 100. Don't cancel with 5 and 100 because we can cancel with 100 when we have unit digit 5 and even number. This time don't cancel it because dividing with 10 or 100 is much easier than dividing by some other number. 20 minus, multiply 15 and 5. 5, 5, 25, 5, 2 in hand, 5, 1 is 5 plus 2, 7. Divided by 100, we have point here, 0.75. 20 minus 1 is 19. 100 minus 75 is 25. 19.25. Do I have 19.25? Option 2 is the right answer. From question number 1 to 6, we have x plus y minus xy by 100. That is successive discount. This time we'll take all positive. If it is increase or more, we'll take positive. If it is less or decrease, we'll take negative. Okay, that's the logic. The cost of apple is increase. Increase means plus. Okay, plus 20, and then decrease by 20%. This is minus 20. Plus 20 increase. Decrease means minus 20 plus 20 into minus 20 by 100. Cancel 0 0 0 0. 20 minus 20 0. We have plus into minus is minus. 2 2 are 4. Minus indicate decrease. Okay, and plus indicate more or profit. This minus indicate less or decrease. Decrease by 4%. A shopkeeper marked the price 20% more than its original price. This is plus more. If we allow a discount of 30%, This is discount means less, minus. Then find his lost person. 20 minus 30 plus 20 into minus 30 by 100. 0, 0 cancel. 0, 0 cancel. This is minus 10. Plus into minus is minus. 2, 3 are 6. Minus minus is plus. Common sign minus. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16% loss. Option 2 is the right answer. Next question. Question number 9. In a company, all employees are getting equal wages. If the number of employees is increased by 20%, this is plus. And their wages per head are decreased by 18%, this is minus. What is the percentage decrease in total wages? 20 minus 18 plus 20 into minus 18 by 100. 20 minus 18 is 2. Plus into minus is minus. 0, 0 cancel. Now multiply 2 and 18. 8, 2 are 16, 1 in hand. 2 1 is 2, 3. Divided by 10 means greater number is 3.6. The smaller number is 2.0 is the same as 2. This is 1.6. Difference is 1.6. Greater number sign is minus. Therefore, decrease is 1.6. Option 3 is the right answer. A shopkeeper claims to sell his article at a discount of 10%. 10% discount means minus. But marks his articles by increasing the cost of it by 20%. This is plus. His gain percentages. Gain means total outcome is plus. Minus 10 plus 20 plus minus 10 into 20 by 100. Cancel 0, 0. 20 minus 10 is 10. Greater sign is plus. Plus into minus is minus. 1 to 2 is 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. Gain percentage. 8 is positive. Therefore, gain percentage is 8. If it is minus, it will be loss. Question number 11. Tradesman mark his goods 20% above. Above means plus. His cost price, if he allows his customer 20% on the mark price. 20% discount on the mark price. Discount means minus. How much profit or loss does he make, if any? 20 minus 20 plus 20 into minus 20 by 100. Cancel 0 and 0. 20 minus 20 is 0. Plus into minus is minus. 2 are 4. 4% less or 4% loss. Question number 12. A dealer marks his goods at 15% above the cost price. This means plus. And allows a discount of 5% for cash payment. This means minus 5. His profit percentage is, let's apply the same formula. 15 minus 5 plus 10 into minus 5 by 100. 15 minus 5 is 10, plus into minus is minus, 5 into 15 is 75, divided by 100 means 0.75. 10 minus 1 is 9. 100 minus 75 is 25. 9.25. Option 1 is the right answer. A dealer marks his goods 20% above the cost price. This is plus, and allow a discount of 15%. Discount means minus on the mark price. What is his gain or loss percentage? 20 minus 15 plus 20 into minus 15 by 100. Cancel 0, 0, and cancel. We have 2 and 5. If we cancel it, 2, 5 per 10, 5, 3 of 15. 20 minus 15 is 5. Plus into minus, minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. This is positive, therefore gain. Okay, 2% gain. Option 3 is the right answer. Question number 14. The price of an article is increased by R%. R% increase means 100 plus R by 100. Then a new price was decreased by R% later. 100 minus R by 100. Now the later price is R is 1. This value is 1. What was the original price of the article? We don't know the original price. I'll call X is the original price. Therefore, X is 100 into 100 is 1 with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros by apply A plus B into A minus B. A square, 100 square is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 zeros minus B square, R square. We have 10,000 by 10,000 minus R square. 10,000 by 10,000 minus R square. Option 1 is the right answer. Do you enjoy? I want you to write down the formula which we use and share your learning in the comment box. And make sure you never miss any lesson. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.